Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Taobao and Alipay. Do this now with both logged in. You need a verified Alipay account and the same phone number on Taobao. Once done, go to Taobao. Account, then Payment Settings, and choose Add or Link Alipay. You'll be prompted to confirm phone, receive a verification code, and enter it in Alipay. This step creates the secure connection. Make sure permissions for account linking are allowed so data can pass between apps. Next, verify your identity and authorize the link. You must match the name and phone number on both accounts. If they differ, update Taobao or Alipay before proceeding. When Taobao requests authorization, Alipay may ask for ID verification, follow on-screen steps, upload ID photo, or take a selfie and submit. Once Alipay recognizes you, approve Taobao's permission prompt and enter the one-time password sent to your phone. This confirms ownership and prevents payment or security errors later. To finish, test the connection immediately by selecting Alipay at checkout for a small purchase or by viewing payment methods in Taobao. If the payment option doesn't appear, unlink and relink the accounts, clear app cache, and repeat verification steps. This resolves most sync issues. Make sure your apps are updated and network is stable. If errors persist, note any transaction or error ID and contact Alipay or Taobao support, providing those ID speeds resolution and restores access quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.